You can expect a lot from the 2014 Ford Edge. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, and more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.